Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to link your PSN account to Steam in just under 2 minutes. This will let you connect your PlayStation Network profile to Steam for more integrated gaming experience. So guys, firstly, something that you have to know, you can't directly connect your your PSN to Steam. So the way this works, if a certain game has an integration with PSN inside of it, there are games like that and there's more and more of them because of Sony's policies. So for example, if you play a game like Ghost of Tsushima, it's just an example, you actually can't play this game without the PSN account. They actually give you the prompt to firstly log in, and after that you can play. And also if you're going to play Ghost of Tsushima, it's just an example, any other game can be the same. The same applies to other games as well with PSN. So if you want to play in that game in multiplayer, you can't not use the PSN account. It's not possible. So the way it's done, you just download the game on Steam, open the game, and after that, when you're prompted to basically enter your credentials for your PSN account, you just enter them. As you can see, account management stuff and stuff like that. You just insert your PSN login and password, and done. Now you're successfully integrated with your PSN in your Steam game. Guys, that's how it's done basically. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps you. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.